Okay, next up, we're going to show you how to produce a rain check. We've got these 4 players checked in here. It started to rain January 11th. It started to snow actually, and they wanted a rain check. They weren't going to go out and play. So there's a variety of ways you can give a rain check. This is the way I like to do it. Go on to the T sheet, right click, and this will come up. Come down here, issue a rain check. Now, this will show you all the different rates we have. What they paid for will automatically show up right here, okay? And you can double check the price here. Grain fee $15, cart fee $5, so $20, and they paid $20. They had 4 players. Now, very important here, you see this split rain check. This will produce 4 different rain checks if you do that. If you don't split the rain check, it will give you 1 rain check for 4 people, and that makes it difficult for 4 people because they all have to get together and one person keeps the 1 rain check. So I always split it. Asked them how many holes they completed. They said 4. You can see this adjusts the price for how many holes they played. So they will get a credit, a $1 credit for their rain check. And the reason we do that is because, you know, if you come early spring or late fall and we are in our shoulder season rates, it's not really fair to the course then for that person to say, oh, I paid $20 for 18 holes in a cart in the last day of November when the greens are aerated, leaves are everywhere. But now I'm back and it's in the middle of June. It's like Father's Day weekend and I paid $20. Now it's full price and I want to use this for 18 holes. So no, it goes by the price. So if they paid $20 and they played 0 holes, they'll get a rain check for a credit of $20. So if they come like on a Father's Day weekend and it's $38, they'll get a $20 credit, so they'll still have to pony up $18. Sometimes you get some blowback from this, but if you explain it properly and with confidence, 99% of the people get that, understand that, and are happy with that. So that's how that works. And you'd hit issue rain check. The receipt printer would spit out 4 receipt type of sheets. You hand that to them and it will show everything on there. And really with our rain checks, we don't have them expire. And that's rain checks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and we'll make sure you are 100% confident when you do this.